Welcome to Retreat, Reset, Transform. I'm Donald Currie, registered psychotherapist. This hypnosis experience is a guided nervous system reset designed to help you release tension, ground into safety, and restore a sense of calm in both body and mind. Before we begin, find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Make sure you won't be disturbed. This is time for you to return to yourself, to soften, to regulate, to breathe. This recording is intended for educational and therapeutic purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical or psychological treatment. Do not listen to this audio while driving, operating heavy machinery, or performing any task that requires your full attention. If you have a history of trauma, dissociation, or a serious mental health condition, please consult with a qualified healthcare provider before listening. Let's begin by simply noticing your breath. Not changing it yet, just noticing it. The inhale and the exhale. And now gently allow your exhale to lengthen. Inhaling slowly and exhaling even slower, as though your body is sighing in relief. Letting go a little more with each breath. Feel your body being supported by the chair, the floor, or the bed beneath you. Let yourself sink just a little deeper into support, into safety. Right here, right now. As you continue to breathe gently, you might begin to notice areas of tension or holding. They don't need to change. Just notice them as if you're listening to the body with curiosity and care. Imagine now a gentle wave of warmth beginning at the top of your head. A golden, calming light moving slowly down, soothing the forehead, softening the jaw, melting tension in the neck and shoulders. This light flows down your arms to your hands and continues through your chest, your belly, the hips, legs, all the way to your feet. Every place this light touches becomes just a little more relaxed, present, a little more safe. And with each breath, your body remembers that it knows how to regulate itself, how to settle, how to return to center. Your nervous system, it's been protecting you, adapting, responding to the world in the best ways it knew how. But right now, it's safe to soften. In this moment, there is no danger, no threat. Just this breath, this stillness. Let your body know we're okay now. You did so well. And you can rest. With every exhale, you signal safety. With every heartbeat, you return to regulation. If there are parts of you still alert, still bracing, you might gently say, "Thank you for your protection," and you can let go now. Allow any stuck energy to melt like ice under the sun. Unwinding, unraveling. Softening in the places that were once clenched. Let your vagus nerve receive this message of calm. Let your heart rate slow. Let your breath deepen. Let your body come back to itself. If you'd like, imagine yourself in a safe, peaceful place in nature. Maybe a quiet forest, a still lake, a warm, sunny meadow. Here your system attunes to the rhythm of the earth, the pulse of peace, the intelligence of nature. Let your body align with this steady, grounded frequency. You belong here. You're supported here. You're safe to let go. And now slowly, begin to return to the present moment, bringing this feeling of calm with you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Take a deep, nourishing breath. And as you exhale, feel yourself more present, more grounded. Let your eyes open gently when you're ready, carrying this nervous system reset with you into the rest of your day. You can return to this state anytime you need to. Thank you for joining me for this nervous system reset. If you found this helpful, please share it with someone who might need a moment of calm. And as always, keep returning to yourself with compassion, curiosity, and care. Until next time, be well, be safe, and be soft.